13 dead in Southern California as rain triggers mudslides. Updated January 9, 2018 at 7:25 p.m. At least 13 people were killed and homes were torn from their foundations Tuesday as downpours set mud and boulders roaring down the hills, stripped of vegetation by the gigantic wildfire that raged in Southern California last month. Rescue crews used helicopters to pluck people from the rooftops because the trees and power lines blocked roads. The firefighters pulled a mud-caked 14-year-old girl from a collapsed Montecito home where she had been trapped for hours. "I thought I was dead for a minute there," the girl could be heard saying on the video posted by KNBC TV before she was taken away on a stretcher. Most deaths were believed to have occurred in Montecito, a wealthy enclave of about 9,000 people northwest of Los Angeles that is home to such celebrities as Oprah Winfrey, Lowe and Ellen DeGeneres, said Barbara County spokesman David Villalobos. At least 25 people were injured and others were unaccounted for. I will be leaving the link.
At least 5 people are reportedly dead in Santa Barbara County, California, killed in mudslides and flash flooding triggered by powerful overnight rainstorms. Residents say the noise was terrifying.
You know, it sounded like a freight train, coming right by the house.
Then we heard this noise and we thought it was helicopters over our house. It was that loud, and we realized it was the boulders coming through. And our house was rattling. We came outside. It was frightening.
Firefighters in the Montecito community rescued a girl who was trapped amid the floodwater debris. The mudslides come just weeks after devastating wildfires that destroyed homes and properties.
Yeah, this was way scarier than that, because at least the fires, you could see them coming. This was really sudden, and yeah, it's pretty devastating.
Thousands have been evacuated from their homes, with forecasters warning of more rain to come.